What's up guys, my name is Joe and this is an episode of Does It Suck? And in Does It Suck? We look at cheap technology, cheap tech products from all around the world, from cheap websites and sketchy places, and I order it, and once it arrives, we review them. So in today's episode, I want to show you a package that I just got today. And it's not much, it's about $11 for this little product over here. This is the telescope lens for your phone. In the package, we also received one other box and a little tripod. Oh boy, this feels cheap. Oh my God, can you hear the crackling noises? I'm afraid I'm gonna break this. So let's see what's in this smaller box. First of all, it's dirty. Okay, so this is something to hold your cell phone in. Okay, so I have no idea what this piece serves as. That's up close, that's how it looks. Okay, so first we have a tripod, but the tripod doesn't go on the phone holder. And then we have the telescope. Now, it says high quality, which I am certain that it is not for $11, but I might be wrong. Single hand holding telescope lens, barrel, see a circular field of view, toggle lens, adjust hand wheel until you see the clear scenery so far, eyepiece, rotary parts can be compensated, more precise focusing. This is very much a Google translation, probably of Chinese. Here is the product, and the product, it's a nice bag. I can give them that. It's a nice bag. Okay, we have a cloth that comes with it, and this is how it looks. From the front, from the sides, the back. And let's take this off. Okay, so that's where you look in, and this is where you look out. All right, so there's this little wheel up here, which you can adjust the focus with, and that's it. Yeah, this works. This is just a basic monocular. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we have an iPhone XS. Now, that goes there, probably. Yeah, that goes like that. Okay, can't I hold it? Oh my God, this was glued on there and I just took it off. It has these little markings on it, but I don't know what to make of it, as you can see over there. The glue let go. Anyway, let's put that back there. I can twist this, comes off, and there you have the lens. But how do I put this on here? Because this is just a plain old plastic thingamajig. But if it goes in like that, nothing holds it. Or does it? But not very sturdy. Don't go for cheap products. And it's, as you can see, the glue let go, so it's already falling out of its place. Oh boy, this. So you have the holding place. You can actually unscrew this thing from here, and you have the traditional tripod mount. And then I'm gonna go like that. Whoa, there you go. Okay, we have that stable. This is not as easy as I thought it would be. Oh boy, this is not the best mount ever. Once you aligned it, you have to twist it hard.
That's what she said?
It looks like I have the mount on the phone. And the camera is visible. Like, it won't go anymore. It won't go. It's at the maximum strength. I twisted this, and the results are. Now, okay, so I want to use this phone, so I just need to, like, use it this way. So my photos are, but because if I want to use it this way, the tripod is not good, it's not big enough. Guys, this sucks. Oh my God, and I need to align it. This is how it looks. Okay? This is so hard. Okay, I think. Then now it's aligned, now I just need to set the focus. Let me just try to set the focus. I just need to show this from a different kind of angle. This is crap, guys. This really is crap. This is just a monocular, just a basic monocular, and if you want to buy a monocular, go buy a monocular. You can use this like normally as you think, but putting this on an iPhone or any kind of phone camera with this piece of shit, it's just not worth it. So, in my first Is This Junk episode, don't buy it. If you want to check it out, the link is below. Please don't buy it. Share this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.